Hi, this is Chantel with WTI. Our pedestal sink really needed a faucet upgrade, and we went with this black and gold faucet by TRUSTMI, and we really like it. I will say this faucet isn't ideal for a pedestal sink, but I was determined to make it work because I loved it so much. Our last faucet had a solid base, so we couldn't really space out the handles because of where the holes were, but it still works and looks great. I absolutely love the matte black and gold. It's a modern design and really high quality. It makes this guest bathroom classy and really helps tie the space together nicely. The faucet has a swivel spout, which is a nice feature. And I also really like how big the matte black drain assembly is. And it's nice, it has an overflow pop-up feature with a built-in basket in case something falls into the sink. We've had it installed for almost a year and it has held up really well. We've been really happy with this faucet, but that's just our point of view.